Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to target someone on Monopoly Go. To do so, you first need to launch a game on your device. Once you've launched a game, all you need to do is click on the Go button until you land on the railway tracks. Once you've landed on the railway tracks, you need to get the mode called Shutdown. As you can see, I've already got Shutdown. Now to target someone, all I need to do is click on the switch opponent button like so, and then go to friends or take revenge on the players who targeted you, and then click on go. So as you can see, this is how you target someone on Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!